In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link OneDrive to your PC. By the end, you'll have your files syncing smoothly between your computer and the cloud, so everything stays up to date and easy to access. First, open the OneDrive app on your computer. If you already see the cloud icon on your taskbar, you're in the right place. If you don't, click the small upward arrow on the taskbar to reveal hidden icons, then look for the OneDrive cloud. That arrow is what we're using to expand the area where apps sit quietly in the background. If the icon still isn't visible, try searching for OneDrive from the start menu to make sure the app is running. Once you've clicked the OneDrive cloud, look for the settings gear in the upper right corner of the panel that appears. Click the gear, then choose the settings option from the drop-down menu. This opens the main OneDrive settings window where you can control how syncing works on your PC. Inside the settings window, select the account tab. This tab shows details about the Microsoft account currently associated with OneDrive on your computer. If OneDrive is already connected, you'll see a button that says unlink this PC below your account name. That simply means your computer is already linked and syncing with that account. If you're setting it up for the first time, or if it's not linked yet, you'll see an option to link your account here instead. Click the link account button. When you do, a small menu or prompt will appear to confirm that you want to proceed. Go ahead and click link again to confirm. This tells OneDrive to connect your PC to your cloud storage so it can start syncing your files. Depending on your setup, you may briefly see a few prompts as OneDrive verifies your settings and prepares your folders. A quick tip as you finish, make sure you're linking the correct Microsoft account, especially if you use more than one. Linking to the right account ensures you see the files you expect and avoid mixing personal and work content. If you previously unlinked and are relinking, this process simply reconnects your PC without changing your files in the cloud. That's it. You opened OneDrive, went into the settings gear, chose settings, clicked the account tab, and used the link account button, confirming when prompted. Your PC is now connected to OneDrive and ready to sync. If you'd like, you can explore folder selection and other preferences later, but your link is complete.